I feel like I'm not staring at the camera today. Where am I supposed to be looking? Here? There? Here? There. Hey guys, back in the garage today. Still working on the 2014 Sierra today. And I'm working on kind of just a little maintenance project, nothing really that major, but there's a couple things I happened to notice when I went to change my windshield wiper blades, which you can see right there. I got a rag underneath the one arm, and part of the problem was I went down to Canadian Tire and I ended up picking up a set of wiper blades, which I thought were kind of like the last generation truck that I had. And I got them home, and I took it out of the box and I went to apply it on there, and I spent half hour playing around with the stupid clips, you know, bending and turning and figuring there's got to be a way to make this work. Never found a way. So anyway, I had to go back there and pick up new clips, which, I mean, new clips, new wiper blades. So I had to go down there and pick up new wiper blades, and yeah, I guess we're starting this project over. So not a big deal, but I just wanted to show you that, and then we're just gonna stick them on the truck here. And thought before we get going, maybe I'd show you quickly what the difference was in the wiper blade. So this was actually the one that I purchased before, and it came out of the box nicely, and it's gonna go back in there nicely, back to Canadian Tire. We're kind of under COVID deal right now, so I don't think they're open storefront or not taking anything back at the moment, so it might be a couple weeks here, but we're going to take them back. You can see on the back, it shows, part of the problem, it doesn't show anything on here. So this one came from Wally's Walmart, and it's an auto drive, so I'm sure these are going to work just great. Back was kind of cool because it came with a little bit of a diagram here that shows the different kind of wiper blades that this particular wiper will fit on, which is cool. So it's got the hook one, it's got the I don't know if that's the flat blade one, whatever, and this one, and this one, and so then it's got the pin style one, and then it's also got the top lock push button ones, which the last truck I have, I believe, was this one. So that's what I was thinking I was getting before, and these new GM K2 trucks have this one. So that's kind of the blade that you're going to be looking for. Kind of makes a big difference when you're buying wiper blades if they don't have the right adapter on there. So let's pull one of these out and see what that looks like. Exactly what we needed. Perfect. When I was out here before, and I guess this is kind of where the challenge was, not short, but it still really helps. Okay, so looking on the truck, so we're up here on top here, and pretty much any Sierra, Silverado from 13 to 18 is going to be like this. They might be the same in the next gen. I don't know yet. Haven't played around with one. But you can see that that's kind of the style of wiper arm blade that's going to be on your truck. So if you're looking to buy wipers, make sure you get this, got the hook this way and then a zip that way and kind of whoopsie over the top there. So for the old auto dry wiper blade setup here, apparently we need to take off this pin on top here, which I usually just take it's not a screwdriver, but it's like a screwdriver. Well, hopefully we don't need that piece, it's broken now. And we just take on the push button one, so that's the push button unit. It's going to clip right in there. There, just like that. And then basically all we need to do is slide it in there. So I actually really like this style of connector on here because it's pretty simple to work with. All you got to do is put it in. There it goes. Let's take the little protector hanger off there. Boom. Some will be undoubtedly asking how do you get the other wiper out, the old one out. And I guess I took it off on that side before I made the video, but if you want to know how to pull it off, there's basically just a button in there. And you just need a little pry bar unit or a screwdriver, or I scratched it now, perfect. And you just push it down and pull it out. So this is junk. New one again. Again, I got the button, push button end on there. There we go. So you can see it's not really a complex job to switch your wiper blades out on your 2014, 2018 Sierra, Silverado. They'll all be basically that. Suburban, Yukon, Tahoe, they'll probably all be the same too. So very simple design, something you can switch out yourself. A lot of people end up at the dealer and they want to switch it out, and it might be 30 bucks for the wiper blade, and they might charge you $5 or $10 to take them on there. I don't know, depending on where you go for a dealer. But in this case, they're really cheap, and it's a good way to not only keep your vehicle up and keep it maintained, but also to keep yourself safe on the road, because nothing worse than driving around with the wipers on. So simple fix, and something any of us can all do in our spare time when we're working on our vehicle. So you guys take care. Hope that helps. Leave a comment, let me know, and subscribe if you're feeling like you want some tech tips like this. And hopefully it's a little bit helpful to you. So take care. Have a good day. If that's helpful, or if you guys are like, this guy's crazy, but one or the other. And yeah.